In this video, I'm going to show how to use the VanTrue N4 camera in parking mode. I have this camera for some time, it's running pretty good, but now I want to record when the car is parked. As you can see, I have some videos of people in cars passing by in front of my car, and the car is parked, it's still recording with this camera, right? So it's pretty easy. I have the link here in the description for another video that I show how to wire this camera to the fuse box, and now I'm going to show how to set it up. So now I have my VanTrue N4 camera working, connected to the fuse box, so it's directly connected to power, and I can turn off the engine. As you can see, I have the engine on, and I'm going to turn it off. Here we go. So the camera is still working. As you can see, it's recording. There's a LED blinking here indicating that the camera is recording, and it's important to pay attention to this one. There's also a blue LED here, okay? Why this is important? Because when you turn off the engine, after some time this LCD is going to turn off by itself. And you now have an indication that the camera is on and it's recording. Here on the LCD, you're gonna have this indication that this camera is on and recording by looking at this blue LED here, okay? So it's pretty important. As you can see, also I have here this symbol for motion detection and also the symbol for GPS. This is important because when your car starts moving, the GPS is going to notice that it's moving and is going to record on the camera. And then when you stop the car and you leave the car automatically goes to parking mode, and it's going to detect motion because motion detection is enabled there. Parking mode is enabled there, right? So what you have to do after you wire the camera directly to the fuse box is to come here, stop recording by hitting OK, and then you come here and hit M to go to the menu, go to record setup, hit OK, and look for parking mode. As you can see, I have parking mode, click OK, and you see this message saying about the hot summer sunlight. If you park your car in a situation like this, just follow the instruction here and change the mode to this one, okay? That's not my case, so I hit OK. And here I have the options for collision detection. Somebody hits your car, it's going to record. Collision plus motion detection, that's the one I'm using right now. Motion detection only or low bitrate recording. So I'm going to use collision plus motion detection. I hit OK. And here there's the option for sensitivity. I'm going to use median. So that's for the sensitivity of the motion detection. And then I hit M several times to come back to the main screen. And now it's supposed to be working, okay? So you just need to do that and make sure the GPS is on here, as I have the GPS module here. If you don't have one, you need to buy it. I have another video here on the channel explaining how to install this GPS module, okay? And I have it here, so it's working. It's already set up to work with the camera. And also motion detection is working right now. So now pretty important, okay? I've seen some video that people says that you have to come here and press the M button and hold it so you can see this parking mode, okay? It's not clear here that this is necessary because the manual of the camera is not like that clear about that, but I'm not doing that, okay? I'm not doing that. What I do is just come to that menu as I did before, here to the setup menu, come to record setup as I did before. As you can see, parking mode. Come here and leave as collision plus motion detection. That's what I'm doing, nothing else, okay? And then I come here to the main screen, and as you can see, there is no P indication here. And I'm not hitting this button to bring the P again. But anyway, it works. I've been testing this camera a lot. When I'm running the car, it's recording. It's also recording the coordinates of the GPS, the speed, and everything else in the video. And it's working. When I park the car, I leave the car. When I come back, if I check for the recording, it's there. Somebody passed in front of my car, there's a motion, it records, and it's working pretty fine, like for a week without a single issue, okay? So I don't care about the P here. Sometimes you're running your car, let's say your stops on, let's say, a traffic light, and you see that the P comes up here in the middle of the screen, like for parking mode. I don't know why, but I don't care. I just leave like that and it still works, okay? If somebody has an explanation about why this P mode, like this P symbol shows up here sometimes, just leave your comments, here. I don't know, I just enable the parking mode and come back to the main screen. It's working right now, okay? Now after some time, the camera is going to turn the LCD off and we'll keep recording. So now it's a different way of dealing with your camera. Every time you come to your car, you're not gonna see the image here anymore. You're going to see a black screen only and this blue LED blinking, okay? You turn on the engine, you still don't see anything on the screen. It doesn't turn the screen anymore. It stays black all the time. The only way you can turn on your screen is just come in here and hit the buttons here so you can come back to your screen, do your configuration, your setup, whatever. And then after some time, the screen comes black again, okay? So it's basically working, and I'm gonna show you guys now some videos that are recorded with this camera, running with my car and also in parking mode. Okay, so here I have the videos from the camera. It's on my PC. I just come here, right click and use this VLC media player. It's a free software. It's also available for Mac. So when I right click, I see the videos. As you can see here, it's parked. The car is parked and I can see when it starts recording because there's motion in front of the car. Okay, it records like for 3 seconds while I have movement. 2 or 3 seconds or so, and then it keeps recording for 10 seconds, okay, for extra 10 seconds, as you can see. So I have the information about the camera name, the date and time, license plate, and also the coordinates because I'm using the GPS, right? So let me do that again with another video here. So I right click, go to VLC player again. As you can see, this is while I'm running with the car, so it works pretty fine. And also works with parking mode. So I don't need to care about if I'm parking or if I'm running with the car, it just works, okay, pretty good. Let me take a look at another video here again. So I'm parked in a different scenario here, different location. As you can see, during the night, somebody is doing its job and working during the night. And here I have another video showing during the day, some car passing by and the camera is recording in park mode. So it works pretty fine, okay? And if you want to buy this camera, I have a link here in the description, okay? And it's a good camera. And also if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.